Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to take a look at my portfolio and see where it's at today's closing. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, and the market closed a couple hours ago, so I want to see how it is performing today and which stocks or ETFs I'm going to be adding some more money to tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and some of you guys know I'm a DCA investor, and every Friday I make a deposit based on my budget. And then I distribute that through my stocks, through my positions. All right, so let's take a look. As you guys know, SCHD, my favorite position, is still the biggest one in my portfolio, 24%. All Realty Income, it was yesterday at 12%. So I want to see where the price is at today. Right now it's 13% on my portfolio. Bank of America is still 9%. J&J 7%. Maine 7%. PG 6%. VYM 4%. KO Coca-Cola 4%, and FXAIX 3%, and then I have all my other positions right there at 3% or less. All right, so let's go into my portfolio and let's take a look. And it looks like I'm down $540 right now. Yesterday I was down like over $700, so definitely the market took a turnaround, and it looks like it's going up. I do see SCHD is at $69.67, so I'm definitely going to be buying some more tomorrow. I'm at 28.9 shares, so by tomorrow I should be at 29 shares. Definitely want to get, my goal right now is to get to 50 shares as soon as possible before the market goes on a bull run, and then I'm going to need to invest more money to be able to get some more shares. And I see Realty Income, it closed at $50, and the other day it was at $46, $45. But I just did not have any money at the moment, and I could not pick up any shares at that price, which it would have been awesome to pick up some, even if it was a half a share or anything like that at the $45 price. Right now I am in the negative, almost $200. And my cost per share is $58.91 as of right now. Bank of America looks like it's going up. It was around $25 the other day also. So I am in the negative by $24 right now. I'm not adding any more Bank of America, but I'm definitely adding some Realty Income, even though it is at $50. It's still under my cost. Johnson & Johnson, it is at $150 right now when it closed today. So I'm going to see if I'm able to add some more. And then Main Street Capital. Ooh, I'm in the positive now. I was in the negative for like a week, and now I am in the positive. The price right now is $40.19. I try not to invest around at $40 or more, but they announced a dividend increase, and that's probably why it went up of 2% for the beginning of 2024. I have 15 and a half shares. I want to get to 25 shares as soon as possible. The same thing as Realty Income. I love their high yields on those two companies, and they have been very, very consistent. Procter & Gamble is still way above my cost per share. My cost is $136, and the price right now is $151. But they are very, very reliable. I love their products. So definitely Procter & Gamble is a position I'm holding very long term. Unless something changes, of course. VYM is going to be my second position that I want to make it my second largest position. It went back up into $102. It is still under my cost. So I'm going to see if I can throw some extra money tomorrow and just buy a little bit more, because I really want to grow that position right now. My market value right now is at $406. So I definitely want to grow it. I want to have it up here with SCHD. Coca-Cola, it did close at $57.09. This might be my last time to grab it before it goes into the 60s again. I am hoping that it holds a little bit until tomorrow morning, so I can buy some more before it goes back up, and then I can keep my cost per share at the $57 price. So yeah, I'm really hoping that it holds a little bit longer, and people don't buy too many shares right now. Right, so FXAIX, of course, my Fidelity Index Fund, S&P 500 Index Fund. I am in the negative only by $1, so I'm gonna be putting a little bit of money there. I put every week. I put like $10 every week, pretty much. I'm trying to grow that position right there with the S&P 500 Index Fund. I do have a goal in mind, a plan for it. So I'm planning on definitely holding it for like 10 years and then selling it for another position. But of course, that's 10 years down the road. So I still have a very long time of me putting money into it every week. PFE Pfizer, it is at $30, so I'm definitely going to be adding some more tomorrow. I'm going to see how much I can add. I'm almost at the 10 shares, so I really want to get there. So I will need to probably buy only like $15 to be able to get to 10 shares. So let me see if I'm able to do that so I can get to that 10 and round it up a little bit. MPW, Medical Properties Trust, that one it has taken a dip. It was around $4 the other day, $4 and something cents. And it looks like it went back up into the $5 price. I am holding this one long term. I know I am in the negative by a lot of money. But I believe in this company long term. Apple, they announced earnings today. I'm not sure. I think that they beat earnings in quite a few things like iPhone sales. I think in the Mac sales, I think they were in the negative. But on a lot of other things, they were definitely they beat earnings. So that was some pretty good earnings beat. But let me see how the market reacts tomorrow, because sometimes the market is just crazy. Sometimes the companies beat earnings and then it just goes down on a dip for like a couple of days or a day or two, and then it just go right back up. All right, so Starbucks, it is over $100. So I am in the positive on this one, 11%. I will not be buying any Starbucks at $100. I did buy a couple times, so I am now at 2.5 shares, 2.5 shares. My cost per share is $88.59. So I'm gonna be holding on this one. I do like their dividend growth and their dividends, and I am planning on holding long term, since Starbucks is everyone's place, especially for the younger generation. It's like they must have Starbucks, they must have those sugary drinks, and I don't mind getting that dividend. I definitely don't. Vici is still under my cost. It is $28.59. It closed today on Thursday. My cost per share is $30.25. So I'll definitely be adding some Vici tomorrow. And CanView also, it is under my cost. This company, I am planning on holding long term also, hopefully. They do have a lot of the products that I like. So I want to be holding this company long term, and it's right now at $19. Stag, I am now in the positive now on Stag, actually, by $1.62. Stag is in the real estate. They pretty much hold warehouses and anything, any industrial REITs. So that's what they specialize on. So I am planning on holding this one also for a very long time, just because of e-commerce, and they rent to like Amazon, and I'm guessing so many other private companies also that they rent their buildings to. So this one, I do believe it is going to be a good company to hold long term. But of course, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But Stag, I really like also. I like those monthly dividends also. But it is my smallest position right now. My market value is only $159. Same as Vici, as CanView, sorry. That is only $161. Vici, my market value is $191, and I do want to put some more money to it. I am going to try to put some more money tomorrow for sure. All right, so definitely I'll be adding some SCHD, which is everyone's favorite. According to my videos, which my video has been doing so good. The video that I posted on SCHD, it has over 1,600 views right now, and it's doing great. And everybody just loves SCHD, definitely. All right, so this is my spreadsheet that I use over here. Maybe in the near future, I'll try to figure out how I can share this spreadsheet. So if you guys want to use it, if any of you want to use it, you can definitely use it. I'm gonna see what is it that I need to do to be able to share it, and then you guys can download it, and you guys can just enter your information on there and just track your dividends and how the stocks are moving and everything, how they're performing in your portfolio and all that. I do like to track everything in my spreadsheet, so I do think it's motivating also, especially when I see the yearly income like this one right here. It definitely keeps me motivated, and just looking at it and how the dividend just continues to grow is definitely very motivating right here. And right now I know it's $17, $41 in a month is not life-changing money, but I'm planning on holding long term, and hopefully all of these companies and ETFs that I am holding, they will definitely pay me a lot more money. And also next week, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make a video on my October income and my dividends, and see how much they pay me in October, and how does it compare to the October of 2022, which is when I started getting paid more serious, because I started investing a little bit more and more and more. So yeah, let's see where it compares. Definitely this is when it's gonna start showing me how my dividends are growing and comparing to 2022. And then in 2024, I'm gonna be adding that next tab right here, those next towers, and that's definitely gonna keep me very, very motivated. I can't wait until 2024's income and in every month. All right, everyone. So definitely I'll be doing another video on Saturday night, most likely, or on Sunday morning, and I'll be posting on Sunday morning of all the buys that I'm gonna be making tomorrow on Friday. And I'll definitely give a portfolio update on it also, and my market value. So let's see where it closes tomorrow. Let's see if the market is gonna continue to go up, or if it's gonna go down. If it goes down, I don't mind it if it goes down tomorrow, so I can pick up some more ETFs and stocks at a cheaper price than they are right now. But right now I see a lot of positions that I don't mind right now paying for them, so at the price that they are at. All right, everyone. So please let me know your opinion. Have you been buying this week? Did you take advantage of the dip in O at the $45 price, or SCHD when it was around $66 that I did not take advantage of? Definitely hurting on that one. Are you picking up on Fridays also? I would like to know if you guys don't mind. All right, everyone. So I'll definitely see you on the next one on Sunday, and have a great day and a great weekend. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.